Woo-wee! I'm excited about this one. Hell yeah. I've been waiting on this day. This is the Tornado amp I told you is made by MyTech, same company that made MTX shit. But guess what? This is a 1986 amplifier. This amplifier was made in 1986. 1 year, I believe. Pretty sure. This is supposed to be a 500 watt amp. Yeah. 500 max. 2-channel. Well, there's what it's clamping on music. I got the trusty O-scope. I've already did my ohms law. This amp's doing 990 watts on music at 4 ohms. Guess how much this motherfucker was in 1986? $900. Guys, gals, and morons, I told you people's dumber than shit, and they don't know what the fuck they got, and they sell the shit cheap as hell. The only thing wrong with this amp is the fan. The fan is locked up. Looks like a couple of the maybe a fin had cracked on one of them. So I just disconnected the fan. I've already ordered a new fan from China. The exact same fan. Matter of fact, I ordered 2. That's the last 2 they had for this amplifier. I ordered them. It cost me $40 for the damn fan, but I want this to be exactly the way it was from the factory. I cleaned it like I said I would. I'll flip it over, show you a gut shot of cleaning it. I'll show you where I unhooked the fan, and I'll show you where the fan's locked up. I just peeled the Tornado sticker off, and I got the model number and all that shit. It has to be a high-speed fan, so right now I'm not running any fan. It's not hot. There's current it's pulling. Let's get on to this thing, man. This is impressive. From 1986, I don't know what this fucker's been through or anything. I put it in here in Carpet Audio Labs, and I told you this old shit is better than the new shit. Let's get down with it. We're on volume 28. I'll let you see that. There is no bass boost turned on. I'll let you see that. Bass boost, or whatever the fuck it's called, is off. 0. Low pass is on. I got it about 90 hertz. She's running, y'all. Come right on. Little green light's hard to tell with the light on, but it's on. And kicking ass. And sounds killer. Woo! Let's play all these nights. I gotta play all these nights on this new shit. 1986. Let's watch this 1986 model come on. It might make some more juice. I don't know. Fuck.
DJ on the beat, so it's a bang, yeah. All these niggas acting like they with that shit ain't stunning these niggas. Young truck sitting so low, had to crouch my back, fuck around, had to sit on my pimp. How you gon' backdoor a nigga you love for a little bit of clout? It's a shame on niggas. How you gon' sit on my car, try to play a little pump like we ain't too dangerous? Bro got trial, he lost faith, he looked up when they changed the verdict. Robbers, goofy stains, pay me for a song, don't clear the verse. We don't go off names, I don't care who they is, we go off merch. It's your first time buying that Zaza, I need 4K for the shirt. He a pussy, I know niggas in this hood, that boy a hoe. That pussy dookie, I be fucking this main bitch and he don't know. And he got 4 back drunk, every time they see me I'm on go. Fucker in my lung, I say that every time cause he got smoke. Fuck how you feel for real, my best friend, he got killed. We was in that field for real, blowing niggas down, boy come here. Everything I say I mean it. 690 say CDC, they know keep on the beat. We called that boy a name. Nigga don't stand on my face, they say when I turn my back, little nigga, let's do it. I ain't got it back though, I ain't gotta snake you out, little nigga, you know we into it. Nigga, you ain't good in your hood, you can't even go to your hood. Why you tryna blame your hood? You don't wear chains in the hood, you don't even claim your hood. Yeah, O block OTF 300, bitch, just check the stats. Nigga said that he be throwing shots, I bet he catch him back. I call folks them late, I know they up, I know they in the trap. Got it slow, man, this ass shit goofy, got his shit off snap. I been shooting guns, I got bodies from way back. I spent a lot on bonds, once I beat my case, I get it back. You know they like the run, but you bet not trip, bro.
me pause the video. I'm gonna hook both speakers up, but it's gonna be running half power, I'm guessing. Let me freeze this.
You're 4 weeks into switching Samsung. How do you feel that?
Alright guys, gals, and morons, now I've got both subs hooked up. Now this is not running what the amp will run full steam at. This is only 4 ohm stereo. This amp is capable of 2 ohm stereo. It's stable at 2 ohm stereo, so I could, if I had different subs, I could wire it down and get it going. You know what I'm saying? And get her done. It's a 2-channel amp. It's not a mono amp, so it's not like a mono where they're all together and it makes the load half of what it's seeing. So this is really 4 ohm stereo. I've already clamped it, making sure it's doing the same power, and it's just cutting it in half the way it is now. 16, I think it was 16 or 17, so that would mean bridge is going to double its power. So 990 watts out of this motherfucker on music, and it's clean too. It's not hot either at all, and the damn fan ain't even hooked up. It's made to take abuse. I mean, that's what this thing's for. So let's get it going. I turn my light on so you can see these speakers jump. It sounds good. Boy, that's a sweet sound to my ears right there. Woo woo. Hell yeah. Ain't a bit warm. Nope. That's cause that's billet aluminum. You gotta think about that, man. In 1986, that was $900. In today's money, that's $3 grand. Yeah, hell yeah it is. I told you that was a cheater motherfucker. 500 watt with damn 230 amp fuses in it. This is a cheater amp. Let me find another song right quick. shit right there. Killing old Pioneer. We'll find another song. Alright, let me flip this over and let you check it out. Guys, this thing's lukewarm. I mean, it's not even a bit hot at all. It's barely warmer than my skin temperature. Might be 100, maybe. I'm gonna flip it over here. And the heat is right where the fan is, so I've got the fan disconnected right there, and you'll see you got to buy the SH. That's a high-speed fan. They're only like $5, but if you get them from China, where this one came from, made in China, and it's this model, this brand, they're going to charge you air shipping, which I wanted to get here quickly. But you can see it's locked up. It's actually hitting a spot right there on the board. You'll see right there, it's hitting a spot on the board real close. See it right there? You see that little chunk sticking out? I'm gonna fix that. About 2 seconds. I might have to file it down. Oh, hang on, man. I know what to do. So here's what the problem is. The fan does work, but it has fell down. You can see where it's come unglued, and it's making the blades catch on the bottom. So if you were able to lift it up, lift the fan up, like I can get it to lift up temporarily, just for a second maybe. That's what caused the fan to break. I'll plug it in, you'll see it spin real quick, but see it trying to spin. It's here. The fan is spinning, but the blades are broke because it's actually fell off the bearing. There's a bearing in there, and it's fell down. So that's why I ordered 2, just to have a spare. But you'll see that I cleaned the amp up real good. Remember all that dirt and shit? She's clean. I used this cleaner this time, CRC. I like it better than Specialist. It doesn't leave a mess quite as bad. And it was dirty. There was damn dirt running out of this thing. I cleaned all the RCAs, all the switches. They were all froze up. Everything's perfect. But you seen it work, man. 1986 right here, working like a champ. They just don't make them like they used to. If I post this sucker up, it's gonna go high because people don't know what the hell they got and they're selling the shit way too cheap. Yeah, it's a $900 amp in 1986. And if you got one that works, you got a nugget. You guys take care and have a great day. See you.